Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious rice uttapam. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of rice, 1/4 cup of urad dal, and a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Combine these in a bowl, wash them thoroughly, and then soak them in water for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This crucial step ensures a smooth batter and perfect fermentation for your uttapam. Once soaked, drain the water and transfer the ingredients to a grinder. Add a small amount of fresh water, grinding until you achieve a very smooth, thick batter. The consistency should be similar to pancake batter. Transfer the batter to a large bowl, cover it, and let it ferment in a warm place for 8 to 12 hours, or until it doubles in volume and becomes airy. After fermentation, gently stir the batter, adding salt to taste. Now, you can mix in your favorite finely chopped vegetables like onions, tomatoes, or green chilies. Heat a non-stick tawa or griddle over medium heat. Pour a ladleful of batter onto the pan, spreading it slightly to form a thick pancake. Drizzle a little oil around the edges and cook until golden brown on both sides. Your delicious rice uttapam is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot with your favorite coconut chutney, tomato chutney, or a flavorful sambar. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro on top adds a wonderful aroma and taste. This versatile dish is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a light dinner. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.